Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. As we all know that today is 4th of July. So it's a holiday for the US, as a result of which we do not have much volume in the market. So if you have any important work to do at home, you can do it because market is not going to move today. So it's an unofficial holiday for Forex traders. Right now, gold is standing at 1923. So as a result, we can expect that the previous levels to work nicely. Yesterday, we saw our level work perfectly and market gave a good selling pressure also. So as a result, we got a good opportunity. So the previous levels are still very much valid. Why? Because see, whenever there is lack of volume in the market, or whenever a market does not have volume, you will not see market going for a breakout or breakdown, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. So if volume is missing, then obviously market cannot go for a breakout. On the other hand, when there is less volume, okay, there is a chance of market manipulation as well. And market manipulation means unexpected spikes in the market. So yes, you need to be careful also. Okay, so less volume is not at all a healthy thing market. So that's why I said that if you have any important work to do at home, outside, you can do it. You can also take the day off. But otherwise, if you want to trade, then yes, you need to trade on these levels only. First of all, the level of 1930 to 1933. The previous level, yesterday's level, is still very much valid. Yesterday we got a beautiful sell position, and today also we can expect the same. If market hits the level, the sellers present around this level, okay, will be present again, and we can expect that market will reverse. If market reverses according to expectation, we can definitely go for a sell position. If the volume of the market remains like this, then obviously market will not have the volume, the volatility, the power, the strength to break it. So yes, high chance of market reversing from here, and we can go for a sell. And then the strongest level of 1937 to 1940 is still very much present. I don't want to talk about 1937, 1940. We have been talking about this level for last 4 or 5 days. Okay, so these two are the resistances. Right now, market is stuck in the middle. Don't take any trade. If market reverses from these two levels, we can go for a sell, or we can look for a sell. On the other hand, we have 1912 as a buy position. 1912 is a minor support. Okay, it's not a very major support in the market, it's a minor support. But in this condition, in this market condition, when we don't have much volume, 1912 should act as a proper support during the day. If market bounces from 1912 level, we can definitely click on the buy button. To be honest, I have set buy limit around 1912 and sell limit at 1930 because I'm expecting a reversal if market hits the level. So 1912 is the only support for the market right now. By tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when things will be normal, then obviously 1912 will be under danger. But right now, 1912 is a major support. See, market, okay, the levels differ. The levels change from market to market. Okay, it all depends on the volume and volatility. So another support for day traders is around 1916. 1916 also we have a very weak support. But looking at the present condition of the market, in case market shows few red candles, 1916 may also act as a quick buy opportunity where we can look for a 20 to 25 pips. So 1912 is the only support for the day, but yes, in case 1916 works, you can look for a quick buy. Otherwise, 1930 seems to be the only good level where we can look for a sell. I don't think so market will heading towards 1937, 1940, but still, it's my duty to mention, so I mentioned. Again, I'll say, when there's less volume in the market, be careful. Either the market will not move, or the market becomes easier to manipulate. So as a result, there may be some unexpected spikes. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY dollar, then dollar is also in the middle. 103.55 is the resistance for the market, and 102.75 is a support for the market. I don't think so DXY will be breaking any of these levels. Okay, so That's all, my dear friends. And from tomorrow onwards, the Hindi workshop is starting. Yes, the workshop. Thanks a lot for such overwhelming response. The world's most affordable forex trading workshop, the Hindi workshop, is starting from tomorrow, and the English workshop is starting from 8. If you're watching my videos for the first time, and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can definitely you can consider joining the workshops. Though it's a 3 days workshop, but after 3 days workshop also you will be getting support for 1 month. I have mentioned everything on our website. These are the topics that we'll be dealing in 3 days. After that, we'll be having 4 weekly sessions, and in weekly sessions you'll be learning these topics. Apart from that, okay, you can see that these are the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Means you'll be receiving these benefits for 1 month after the workshop, so that you don't feel lost right after the workshop, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Okay, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, who are in pain right now, who do not have any light right now. Okay, because I was in your place once, so I know how it feels. And there's a questionnaire also, you can see whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And as you guys already know, that I keep the fees very low so that everyone can afford. The fees is only $15 for everything. Okay, 1,000 for Indians, and the dates are mentioned here. Hindi workshop starting from tomorrow, that is 5th of July. English classes starting from 8, 9 and 10. These are the 3 dates. I record each and every session because people from around the world participate, but due to time difference they cannot join. So I record each and every session so that you can learn. These are the payment methods, and those who are looking for hand holding, those who are new to the market but have many doubts and questions inside their head, you guys can sign up for annual, semi-annual membership, because you'll be getting personal one-on-one session. Everything on the website. Feel free to check them out if you're interested. And yesterday I made a Q&A video regarding the workshop, so if you have any doubts or questions regarding the workshop, feel free to watch the video that I uploaded yesterday. Anyways, try to avoid the market for the day because we do not have much volume. It is important to know when to trade, but it is much more important to know when not to trade in the market. So today is the market, you should be taking risk. Okay, that's all from my side. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Enjoy the day. Spend some quality time with your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care.